If you are running Facebook and Instagram ads and not getting sales, this video is going to save you a lot of money because most products brands don't fail in ads. They fail at understanding how ads actually work. Today, I will explain why most brands don't get sales for ads, what mistakes they are making, and what you need to fix if you want to result. So, if you are a product brand owner or someone planning to run ads, watch till the end. Hi, I'm Alim. I'm 17 and follow this channel to get social media marketing tips and tricks. If you want to grow your brand and sell more, definitely DM me. I will give 40% off for my first 20 clients. I have seen many brands spend money on ads. 5 US dollar a day, 20 US dollar a day, sometimes even more, and still get zero or very low sales. And the first thing they say is Facebook ads don't work. But here's the truth, Facebook ads work every single day. They just don't work for brands that run ads without a system. Let me clear some common myth first. Myth number 1, my product is bad. Most of the time, it's not. Myth number 2, Facebook is structured. If that was true, big brands would not millions of ads. The real problem is not the product and not the platform. The real problem is strategy. I will take you to the screen and show you some mistakes that are causing you to not get sales.
Mistake number one, no clear ads strategy. The biggest mistake product brands make is running ads without a clear strategy. They post a random post, select some interest, and hope people will buy it. But but ads don't work on hope. Ads work on planning. You need to know who is this ad for? What problem are they facing? Why should they buy from you today? Without this answer, ads become gambling. Mistake number two, talking about product, not the problem. Most ads talk too much about the product. High quality fabric, premium design, best price, but customers don't buy product, they buy solution. Let me give you some example. Instead of saying high quality hoodie, say this: a, a hoodie that doesn't lose shape after washing. See the difference. One tells about futures, the other tells about pain. If your ad doesn't stop people by hitting a real problem, they will scroll. Mistake number three, wrong audience awareness level. Another big mistake is targeting the wrong awareness level. Mistake number three, wrong audience awareness level. Another big mistake is targeting the mistake number three, wrong audience awareness. Mistake number three, wrong audience awareness level. Another big mistake is targeting the wrong awareness level. Not everyone is ready to buy. Some people don't even know they have a problem yet. Some people are comparing options and some people are ready to purchase. But brands show the same ad to everyone. That's why ads fail. Your message must match. where the customer is in their buying journey. Mistake number 4, weak landing page or no trust. Let's say your ad is good and people are clicking, but then they land on a page that has no trust, no reviews, no clear offer, and at the last, no strong call to action. So people don't buy because they are confused or scared. Your page must answer 3 questions first. Is this for me? Then, or can I trust this brand? Or what should I do next? If your page fails here, ads will never convert. So guys, what actually works? Ads start working when you build a system. That system has 3 parts. Number 1, right audience. Number 2, right message. Number 3, right offer. Ads don't create sales. They amplify what already works. If your message is clear and your offer makes sense, ads can scale your business.
So guys, that's why some brands sell every single day from ads, while others keep boosting posts and praying. The difference is not the budget. The difference is understanding the games. If you want ads that actually bring sales, stop blaming the platform and start fixing the strategy. Follow this page for more real marketing breakdowns. And if you want to know what to fix first on your ads, comment ads below. Bye guys. See you in the next video.